She's a wild rose waiting on me at the end of the road, between the water tower and the power line. We're a cloud of dust from once I feel her buckle in my pickup truck. She's 10 pounds of sugar and a 5-pound sack. Hollywood looked her in a giant big cat. Not go fast, she hollers fast. She's the first one with the hair on flat. Girl like that's what a country boy's after. She cranks the tractor. She cranks the tractor. Burned in the back road, sucking jet fuel from a radio. Cows and cornfields flying by. It's a lot out the fence, street past the farm with the riverbank there. She's the best skinny river that you ever gonna buy. She can hit the brakes with the bra every time. Not go fast, she hollers fast. She's the first one with the halo on back. Girl like that's what country boys after. She cranks the tractor. She cranks the tractor. She's 10 pounds of sugar in a 5-pound sack. Almost been away on a quarter-mile track. She got a kiss that'll hit you like a heart attack. I got the rifle, she's got the right. Not go fast, she hollers fast. She's the first one with the halo flat. Girl like that's what country boys after. She cranks the tractor right real fast. She hollers fast. She's the first one with the halo flat. Girl like that's what country boys after. She cranks the tractor. She cranks the tractor. She cranks the tractor.